Best robot vacuum cleaners. Are you tired of spending hours sweeping and mopping floors? I have been looking for the perfect smart home upgrades to handle the mess automatically. Today, I'm sharing the top robot vacuum cleaners available right now to keep your home spotless with absolutely zero effort on your part. Product number 1. Robotic S1. Keeping hard floors and low-pile carpets clean is incredibly simple with this automated device. I really appreciate how the advanced electronically controlled mopping technology prevents footprints and dirt from lingering on the surface. The high-capacity water tank features a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system, so I can address different stains based on exactly what my floors need. When operating it, I noticed the powerful suction easily handles daily dust and crumbs across various settings. A 3-point cleaning system tackles hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. For anyone dealing with pets, the exclusive no entanglement design is fantastic because it eliminates the dreadful task of pulling dog or cat hair out of roller brushes. Dual rotating electric side brushes gather hidden pet hair efficiently throughout the entire house. It also navigates around obstacles flawlessly and returns to its dock to recharge without any manual intervention. Product number 2. Robotic Q10 S5 Plus. Dealing with constant maintenance is a thing of the past thanks to this highly efficient cleaner. I am amazed by the massive 10,000 Pascal suction power that effortlessly lifts embedded pet hair and debris from my carpets and crevices. The self-emptying station comes with a large dust bag, providing over 2 months of completely hands-free operation. I absolutely love the dual anti-tangle system, featuring a specialized comb brush that minimizes hair wrapping and ensures a much smoother performance over time. The dual-zone sonic vibration technology scrubs surfaces thousands of times per minute to remove stubborn stains and leaves floors looking flawless. Whenever it detects a carpet, the device intelligently lifts the mopping module to avoid wetting the fabric, while automatically increasing suction for a deeper clean. Product number 3. iRobot 105X. Finding a reliable cleaner that never misses a spot has transformed my daily routine completely. I instantly noticed the impressive power-lifting suction pulling embedded dust and pet hair right out of my carpets. The 3-stage cleaning system utilizes a multi-surface brush alongside an edge sweeping brush to deliver a truly barefoot clean feeling across all my rooms. With the smart mapping technology, it navigates efficiently in neat rows instead of wandering randomly around the house. I can easily schedule custom room-by-room sessions to target high-traffic areas where messes naturally build up. If there's an accidental spill, I just set it to spot clean and it focuses entirely on that specific location until the dirt is gone. It confidently avoids everyday obstacles like cords and furniture, even in low light conditions, so it never gets stuck. Product number 4. Shark AI Ultra AV250 S1. Automating my chores has never felt this reliable and powerful before. I am constantly impressed by how this machine tackles tough messes on all floor types without leaving a single trace behind. The precision matrix navigation takes multiple passes over dirt in a grid pattern to guarantee complete and deep coverage for my entire home. I no longer worry about emptying the bin constantly because the bagless base holds an entire month of debris while trapping dust and allergens securely inside. Its specialized vision system quickly creates precise maps of my layout to avoid objects seamlessly during the day or night. For pet owners, the self-cleaning brush roll combined with excellent filtration captures dander effortlessly so the air feels fresher. I just use my voice to start a session or set a daily schedule from my phone to keep everything running smoothly. Product number 5. Dream L40 Ultra Gen 2. Taking floor care to the absolute next level is easy when a device has such extraordinary suction capability. I was blown away by the 25,000 Pascal performance that provides a deeply customized clean across wood, marble, and tile surfaces. One of my favorite features is how the side brush and mop actually extend outward to tackle stubborn messes hiding in tight corners and right up against baseboards. The all-in-one self-cleaning dock handles everything from auto-emptying to hot mop washing and drying, which drastically reduces my manual upkeep. When moving around the house, the smart navigation accurately maps spaces and avoids household obstacles like stray shoes with brilliant precision. I can easily define specific cleaning modes to care for carpets safely, including complete avoidance or intensive suction boosting. I hope this detailed look into automated floor care helps you choose the right device to reclaim your free time. Keeping your living space immaculate does not have to be a difficult chore anymore. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your spotless home.